So what I'm going to do is go through what I've done here. This is like the fourth, sixth time I'm trying to do it, and I guess I'm not going to be showing absolutely everything this time. So what I had was the meter connected up to the controller. I'm testing out a new throttle, multi-turn pot. I've got some interesting resistor values here for reasons that I don't remember. So the idea was that I was only supposed to let the voltage on the wiper go from 0.5 volts minimum to 4.5 volts maximum. And I had a potentiometer that was supposed to be 5K but wasn't quite 5K. So for some reason I have from the 5 volts on the far right of the controller, I have a 4.65K ohm resistor in series with it that goes to the potentiometer, and then coming back from the 10K potentiometer that I've got is a 10K potentiometer, 9.9K. So that's the circuit that it goes through, and then the wiper can connect from one side to the other with 10 full turns. So it should be somewhere in the range of 3.9 volts as high as it can go, and 2.0 volts as low as it can go. What I actually measured was 1.86 as the low and 2.94 is the high, which is a little odd. When I turn the controller on, I get a minimum of 381 counts. When I turn the potentiometer one full turn, I get 412. And then if I turn it all the way clockwise, I get 613, which is not a very big range, but it's a multi-turn pot. I shouldn't have any trouble with the throttle wiggling and giving the control software any problems. So I'm just going to go through that again by doing it on here. We're going to wait for the 12 volts to click, or the contactor to click. I'm going to turn this all the way counterclockwise. And then we're going to go config. And I got 382 as the raw throttle counts. And I'm going to go all the way clockwise. Verify the number with config. That gives me 613. So that's essentially the range that I've got. I'm going to load the new firmware in now and see whether or not the AC controller works well with the throttle that I've got. I'm just going to actually I should have turned it to a neutral position according to the settings before I let it turn off. Right now, between 400 and 624 is what Paul has as neutral. So I've got 612. I can't actually get up to the positive throttle positions, but I'm gonna put it a little closer to 500. I got 568. And then I've got 520. Uh, 491, so that's pretty close. I'm going to shut it off there. I'm going to shut down my log file.